Thai Tom Yum soup is a popular and delicious dish that has become a staple in Thai cuisine. Not only is it known for its tangy and spicy flavor, but it also offers a range of health benefits. In this video, we'll take a look at the history of Tom Yum soup and explore its many health benefits. Tom Yum soup is believed to have originated in Thailand, specifically in the central region of the country. The dish is said to have been created by a group of fishermen who used the local ingredients they had available to them to make a flavorful soup. Over time, the recipe evolved and became more popular, spreading to other regions of Thailand and eventually becoming a well-known dish throughout the world. The name, Tom Yum, is derived from two Thai words, Tom, meaning to boil, and Yum, meaning a sour and spicy salad. The soup is traditionally made with shrimp or prawns, but it can also be made with other types of seafood, chicken, or even tofu. The broth is made with a combination of lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, chili peppers, and other herbs and spices. Tom Yum soup is not only delicious, but it also offers a range of health benefits. Here are some of the most notable benefits. Boosts immunity. Tom Yum soup is rich in antioxidants, which can help boost your immune system and protect your body from harmful free radicals. Reduces inflammation. The herbs and spices used in Tom Yum soup, such as lemongrass and galangal, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Aids digestion. Tom Yum soup contains ingredients like lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves, which can help improve digestion and relieve stomach discomfort. Promotes weight loss. Tom Yum soup is a low-calorie and low-fat dish that can help promote weight loss. It's also rich in protein, which can help keep you feeling full for longer. Fights infections. The herbs and spices in Tom Yum soup, such as ginger and garlic, have antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help fight infections. In conclusion, Tom Yum soup is a delicious and healthy dish that offers a range of health benefits. Its history dates back to the fishermen of Thailand, who created the dish using local ingredients. Today, Tom Yum soup is enjoyed around the world and is considered a staple in Thai cuisine. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, reduce inflammation, aid digestion, promote weight loss, or fight infections, Tom Yum soup is a great addition to your diet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.